it's Stephanie from Oh You're Lovely, where we carry the largest selection of wood flowers in the United States. Today's tutorial, it's a gift with a twist? Sure. Back to another tutorial. This tutorial, it's actually a gift for my cousin. It's her 40th birthday, and I get to giggle about that because I'm not quite there yet. It's coming. It's soon. It's inevitable. But nonetheless, she's 40. I'm not. So we're gonna make her a little gift. Also, fun fact about this. So, she's been teasing me for a while because her significant other has gotten more of my pieces in the past than she ever had. I've never made anything for her. So that is going to change today because I'm actually surprising her for her birthday. Well, her birthday was yesterday as I'm filming this, and I'm seeing her tomorrow as I'm filming this. So nonetheless, it's a surprise that I'm going to see her to celebrate her birthday and give her this lovely arrangement. Hopefully it's lovely. I asked her partner what her favorite color was, like down low. I didn't ask what her favorite flower was. I don't know if that's going to be on stake or not. Any hoosies, this is a really long intro. Let's jump into it. I'll show you what we're going to be working with. For this tutorial, you're going to need flowers of some sort. So blue is actually her favorite color, and it was more of like this kind of blue. So I pulled other flowers because I wasn't gonna do an all blue. I cannot. I've done it before. It's not easy for me. So I grabbed those blue ones. We've got some other lighter shade blue. I grabbed some ranunculus that we've dyed. Here is a spider mum dyed. We also have the mature poppy, another spider mum but in a different colorway, and then this lovely rose, or these lovely roses, are Blanches. Took me a second. I cannot remember the name of the blue flower though. That one is escaping me at the moment. I apologize for that. For the greenery, we've got all sorts of different stuff. Let's see here. We've got this like frosted wide ruscus. We have our Italian ruscus that I love. I have another mixed eucalyptus bundle. Pretty sure it's still in the shop, but I'm not sure which one, what we named that one. It's already been cut up a bunch. Blue is still being, now this I don't think is in the shop anymore. This was, I think, a last year piece, but it comes with the colors I need. This we do not have in the shop. This was a sample one, but it's got like the little blueberries on it, so we've still got that blue theme coming. And these are the pieces I'm not sure if I'm gonna use or not. This one's real tall. These are actually 50s, 60s plastic flowers from Japan. I have like a collection of them and I use them randomly through pieces. So this is looking like, what, a Delphine probably? I'm not sure if she loves vintage stuff as much as I do, so I'm not sure if these are gonna work, but I'm gonna have them here just in case. On the vase we're gonna work with is this lovely, what is it, Hager? I don't know how to say the name of the pottery brand, but I just love the shape of the bowl, and I think it's gonna do really well if we use especially, whoa, jeez, that's some height. Maybe we won't use it, I don't, you can't even get it on the camera altogether. Okay, I gotta think about this part, but nonetheless, this compote, or not compote, but you know what I'm saying. This, maybe we'll just do that one. Okay. Any hoosies, let's jump into it. I've got some thinking to do off camera. I didn't realize how tall this tall boy really was and how short this planter is. Okay, or vase. Oh, and it's got a chip. Maybe I should do a different one. I think she'll still love it. I'll just apologize for the chip. That's probably why it was at the thrift store. All right, good. This is gonna be a rambling one, it sounds like. So maybe I won't talk and I'll just start creating and we'll pump up the tunes. Maybe. We'll see. All right. I'll see you on the flip side. That way. I'll see you in just a second. All right, you guys, so I'm gonna try a different camera angle, so we're kind of over my shoulder. I do have my lovely Susan here, so we'll be able to move this around. I have floral foam as well as a little bit of chicken wire in there to help, especially with these more modern pieces. I like to actually use chicken wire or grid method. So I added that in there as just a little extra something for my mechanics. Now we're gonna I decided I'm not gonna listen to music, something more relaxing. True crime podcast, yes indeedy. So I'm gonna turn that on and we're just gonna start working, and if I think of something that needs to be said, I'll say it. All right, on to the creating. Oh, one thing I forgot to mention, I found this greenery while working with the camera angles and stuff, and I think I'm gonna use it. We don't carry this in the shop. I believe if we did, it was attached to like a garland. I don't think we did. I think I just got this one as a sample, but so that I won't be able to link that one for you guys. Okay, you guys, so I don't know if you can see the tippy top of that. I think I'm going to use these. They're creating a really fun shape. So now we add in the flowers. So we're gonna do that right now. All right, you guys, the final piece. Maybe we'll do a slow zoom up. I don't know. Here. There it is. There's blue, but because I want her to remember who made it, there's also pink. So I hope she loves it. I think maybe if she's okay with it, I might do a little film in when I present it to her and wish her a happy birthday. So if I do, that'll be here. And if not, we'll just roll the outro. Happy birthday! Hi.
Got this little thing in my face.
Do you have a favorite side of the arrangement?
Do you have a favorite side? Yes.
I have a favorite.
You do?
Yeah.
I like the yellow in front with the two blues
Yeah.
around it, so that so far is my favorite side.
That's my favorite side too.
But there's 4 of it, so I can change it depending on how I like it and what I'm feeling for the day.
Great. Do you like? Is it
I
good?
do. It's very beautiful.
Did I do
Your
all right?
talent is incredible. I cannot come up with this myself, so you are awesome.
You're awesome. Happy birthday.
Thank you so much. I love you.
I love you too.
Do you love me? I love you.
He's like, what's
You
going on?
We get to share.
All right, you guys, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Oh, this is so pretty. I say this all the time, but If somebody doesn't like what I make them, I'll take it back because I love it. And I would happily put this on my dining room table for spring and summer. I don't even mind the blue. I don't. If you enjoyed this tutorial, make sure to give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment. We'd love to chat with you in the comments. If you have any questions, also drop those down below and we'll answer those as soon as possible. To find out about the 150 style sola wood flowers along with craft supplies and greenery, go to ohyourelovely.com. But before you do, grab this YouTube 30 to get 30% off your first order. You guys have a lovely day. We'll see you super soon for another tutorial. I'm Stephanie from Oh You're Lovely, and you, my friends, are absolutely lovely. Do you know what I forgot? Why don't you, if you're enjoying these, give us a whatchamacallit, subscribe, would ya? And do this thing, ring the bell. Okay, now I'm gone. I'm gone now. See you next week.